The 360 camera space is no longer quiet, and that's exactly why the Insta360 X6 matters more than ever. For years, Insta360 dominated this category. Every release pushed boundaries, and the competition struggled to keep up. But now, that gap is closing. And when competitors start catching up, expectations don't just rise, they explode. That's the situation the X6 is walking into. Now, let's talk about what we actually know. Multiple certification listings and consistent leaks strongly suggest that the X6 is real, and likely very close to launch. But the bigger question isn't whether it's coming. It's what it needs to become. Because here's the challenge, most of the obvious upgrades are already done. 8K video. Already achieved. Stabilization. Industry leading. Compact design. Expected. So where does Insta360 go next? From everything circulating right now, the answer seems clear: refinement over raw specs. Instead of chasing higher resolution numbers, the X6 is expected to focus on real-world improvements. Think better dynamic range, smoother frame rates, and significantly improved low-light performance. And that matters more than it sounds. Because anyone who's actually used a 360 camera knows, specs don't always translate to better footage. But smoother motion and cleaner low-light video. That changes everything. There's also growing talk about higher frame rates at top resolutions. And this could be a game changer. Capturing fast-moving scenes in 360 has always been tricky. If the X6 pushes higher frame rates without sacrificing quality, it could completely transform action shooting. Then comes color. Not just better color, but professional-grade color depth. This is something creators have been asking for non-stop. More flexibility in editing, more control in post-production, less limitation overall. And honestly, it's overdue. But the most exciting shift might not be hardware at all. It's intelligence. The X6 is rumored to bring deeper AI integration, not gimmicky features, but meaningful ones. Imagine recording a scene, and the camera already knows what matters. Automatically tracking subjects. Highlighting the best angles. Even preparing a rough edit before you touch your phone. It sounds futuristic, but it's closer than ever. Now let's talk timing. Looking at recent release patterns, a spring 2026 launch feels very likely. Somewhere around April would make perfect sense, right before the summer content season kicks off. Pricing, though, is expected to climb. Not dramatically, but enough to reflect its flagship position. And if history repeats itself, older models will drop in price, creating a full lineup for different budgets. That's been Insta360's strategy, and it works. But here's the real story. The X6 isn't just being shaped by engineers. It's being shaped by users. People want better lens durability, faster data transfers, longer battery life, and most importantly, fewer frustrations. Because the expectation now isn't just a better camera. It's a better experience. From shooting, to editing, to sharing, everything needs to feel seamless. And that's why the Insta360 X6 is such a critical release. It's not about reinventing 360 cameras overnight. It's about proving that leadership can be maintained, not with hype, but with meaningful improvements. If Insta360 gets this right, they won't just meet expectations. They'll raise them all over again. But if they don't, this might be the moment the competition finally catches up. Either way, this launch won't go unnoticed.